Hey there! We know you're already a pro at continuous manufacturing, so we won't bore you with the basics. Instead, let's talk about something way cooler, our Gericke Formulation Skid. Meet the star of the show. The Gericke Formulation Skid is modular and flexible, allowing it to adapt to your specific needs. The skid can handle up to 7 different powders, each with the ability to dose with different feeding rates while maintaining the highest accuracy. Depending on your throughput, your powders can be blended at different rates. For higher throughputs, our Gericke Continuous Mixer, GCM, is the powerhouse you are looking for, producing up to a ton per hour. For lower throughputs, easily switch out your blender to our Gericke Mini Blender, GBM, which is capable of accurately producing batch sizes below 500 grams per hour. But that's not all. This compact blender's specialty lies in dealing with high-potent APIs with doses lower than 1%. In addition to its ability to accurately blend batches as small as 500 grams for clinical trials, this blender can easily scale up by just producing multiple blends. Need real-time quality assurance as well? Meet the only sampler on the market which takes a truly representative sample. No more guesswork. Watch as our PAT system works its magic, ensuring every product is top-notch. Our advanced process control is like a bouncer at a club. The bad ones are shown the exit, while only the best products get in. We aren't quite done yet. Unlike those rigid, one-size-fits-all systems, our skid is like the Swiss Army knife of manufacturing. Do you need to integrate a particular downstream process and have a specific vendor you prefer? Our vendor-neutral approach allows you to integrate a machine of your choice, but also adapts to different downstream processes, from direct compression to granulation. It's like having a dance partner who can groove to any tune. So why settle for less when you can have the best? Not sure where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Our GFS is just one piece of the puzzle. We'll guide you from your first call to your site acceptance test and beyond, ensuring your transition is smooth, effortless, quick, and effective. We'll make sure your machine runs for years to come with our service packages. And guess what? We have globally distributed test centers where you can try out our machines firsthand. Whether you're in Europe, Asia, or the Americas, there's a test center near you. Thanks for watching. Ready to make the switch? Visit our website to learn more and find a test center near you.